What's the meaning of autumnal? Autumnal. Autumnal.
Autumnal. Autumnal. Autumnal refers to something that is characteristic of or resembling autumn, the season between summer and winter. It pertains to the rich colors, falling leaves, and the crispness in the air that are typical of this time of year. This word often evokes a feeling of warmth, coziness, and nostalgia associated with autumn. It may also be used metaphorically to describe the end of something, as autumn marks the transition from the growth and abundance of summer to the dormancy and decay of winter. Overall, autumnal encompasses the beauty, change, and melancholy of the season.